Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So tonight, I'm actually going to try and reorganize my filming room so that I don't have this awesome attic door in my backdrop anymore. But I'll show you in a minute. There's a lot of boxes in the spot that I needed to go to. And my dresser hasn't shown up yet, so I've been kind of living out of my suitcases. So my filming room is a mess. But I do want to get it situated because I want things in their own place and where they're supposed to be. So I don't know how this is going to turn out. I really hope it's something that you want to watch. We'll see what happens. But if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell for notifications, new videos. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Trying to get my house organized is a bit of a challenge because I don't know where everything's at, but I do know that I at least can set up my filming room and get things put away there at least. So if you want to see me organize my filming room, I'm probably going to speed it up a little bit, but just keep watching. Okay, you guys, so over here, there's Sochu. Now that we can actually see her, she is back in my chair. Hey, cat. Sochu, say hello. No, we're not going to. Grumpy. But at least she's in here hanging out with me while I clean. But this is everything else. So I need to move all those boxes kind of where I'm at right now, or even where the table is and the chair, which Sochu's not going to be happy about, and then move the table in between those two windows. And yeah, so I'm going to speed this up, probably drop some music to it, and yeah, here we go. Okay, you guys, so this is the setup so far. There's a whole bunch back behind there, but this is what I usually see when I am filming. And I mean, I do need to set this stuff up, kind of do some cord keeping and everything, but don't mind that. This is what we are working with. Yeah. Okay, you guys, so we're back on the main camera. You probably just saw the clip from my iPhone. This is what we're working with so far. I will get it more set up. I will, if you guys want to see it, put it in the comments down below, and I will walk you through the things that I do to modify this room. But I at least want to get situated like right here so that I have the rest of the room to kind of work with, get that situated. And now like I've got the chest that I have over here that it used to have blankets in it. I don't know if I'm gonna keep putting blankets in there, maybe use it in another part of the house. I don't know. But I do have some more garment boxes that I need to unpack. I have some more stuff that actually belongs in this desk, or they labeled it that it goes in this desk. For the most part, I packed my makeup with me and put it in my Jeep and drove cross country with it just because makeup is expensive, it's an investment, and I would have hated for it to end up in storage and melted or something to happen to it. Ugh, that would be heartbreaking because I do have so much fun with my makeup. But yeah, you guys, so it's just a small glimpse of what I've got going on in this room so far. There's gonna be some, I mean, we obviously need to do a backdrop. I need to kind of spruce it up a little bit. It is nice to kind of have the TV monitor back. I will link those items down below. Not everything I have, like the monitor wasn't something I purchased. It was actually a gift that my ex-husband bought for me. I think it was like a Christmas gift one year. It was on my wish list. And that's the other thing is you don't need to have this setup, all this equipment to do a channel. I know I talked about it before. I have acquired these items over time, and you know, start out with your iPhone, start out with a small camera that you have. Then you can build as you figure out the way you want to go with your channel, the things that you do need or want. For makeup tutorials, I just decided that I needed a ring light. So that was the first thing that I had. And I did have an older Nikon 5200. That was a DSLR and used that. And you know, over time I did pick up new items, added to the filming room. It wasn't something that I had like purchased everything at once and spent thousands of dollars. It was stuff that over time I had in my Amazon cart and purchased or was gifted to me because it was on a Christmas wish list or something. But if you're gonna start a channel, just do it. I didn't think that I would be still filming videos 3 years later, and I still love it. So you guys, that's it for right now. There's still a lot that I need to do. It's already 9 o'clock. I'm kind of tired. Probably should eat something besides a sparkling water. But you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it's something that you wanted to watch, or, you know, maybe it sparks some inspiration in organizing a room. It's not 100% put away. I will get there. But you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications and videos. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And until next time, you guys, bye. I'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. I'm trying to coerce Sochu out of my chair, but she's not having it. She literally is she is not having it. She doesn't usually like my filming room, and she's just chilling in my chair. I was gonna do an intro, but I don't think that. Do you want to leave? Can you sit on my lap? So, hey guys, I was planning on doing a quick intro for my video. If it becomes a video, I'm just gonna kind of reorganize my filming room so I can kind of get things situated. And Sochu decided that she was going to be here in the chair. Do you want to say hi to everyone? No? But welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications of new videos. And if you like Sochu, if you like cats, if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Yeah, I'm going to try and reorganize my filming room so we can be situated. Let's get into this.